existing customers to reintroduce them to the new SAP Ariba. And I start off with our new identity as a company. And I explained to them that when you look at our new logo, which was the same for the inception of the company until today, is we changed it because we wanted to represent buyers and sellers. So one arrow represents the buyer, the other one the seller. Where they meet is the network. Why is this important? It's because we consider our customers, suppliers, our customers as well. This is very, very important. We are a two-sided model. So this is the first message. The second piece is every company has a core. The core of SAP is ERP. The core of Ariba is source, procure, and pay. This is what we do at our core, source to pay. This is important because most other companies do one of those elements. We do all three integrated to each other. But that's not all. We also do this across all categories. What does this mean? This means this is indirect spend. We are now also expanding into direct. And we acquired some of the best companies in the world who cover travel, which is Concur. And Concur is number 1 in the market. And contract labor, which is Fieldglass, who are also number 1. So we cover everything a company spends money on, and we have the best-in-class solution, and Ariba is the procurement platform that brings it all together. Now, when you go into each one of those, we have things we have done for the past very successfully. For instance, when you look at sourcing, we've done spend visibility. Take Pemex, for instance, going live with spend visibility as a public sector company for the first time in the cloud with a cloud product. We obviously do, auctions, contract management. That's part of our portfolio. But what we're now adding, and where we're investing a lot of our money into, is what we do with vendor management, so that you have a 360-degree view of your supplier, as well as risk management. And when you look at it, risk management is the new hot topic for any CPO. You read any of the research, cost savings were in the past, risk management is now. And that's a highly important topic. The problem we are trying to solve is that companies have thousands of suppliers. They only manage hundreds of them. They can't manage thousands. So how do you ensure that your supply chain doesn't carry a risk that might actually hurt your company? Then you talk about procurement. Procurement obviously